Hello everyone, today we have sushi. Sushi, dessert, vegan, carpet from pistachio, pickles. This cigarette already we make it in one video before. Pickles from pineapple, so tasty, and wasabi with matcha tea ganache. You will learn how to make this amazing plate in 8 minutes. All techniques you know. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, pastry champion of Africa, working corporate pastry chef for many cruise line, and all my skill and experience I make it in this channel. So please subscribe and make comment. Beginning 150 arborio rice we soak in 1 liter water. After that, we start boiling. We soak it like 10-15 minutes. Then we bring it to boil. Simmering, low heat until start cooked. And then I must check. First, it's soft, it's nice, it's cooked. I added 150 fresh cream, 150 gram sugar. Not fresh cream, coconut cream, sorry. And then I mix it. I leave it to infuse to get the flavor of coconut. Then later on, 50 gram of coconut, 2 gram of agar agar, 2 gram of agar agar. Then it's already done, baked, and coconut absorb all the moist. And you can taste, you can increase the sugar or you reduce, it's up to you. And you can use also stevia sugar on substitute sugar and it becomes gluten-free, lactose-free, sugar-free. This is pistachio carbet, 500 milli water, 4 gram cinnamon, 100 pistachio paste, 100 honey. So easy technique. And if you don't want to make it lactose free, instead of 500 milli water, you can add any cream or fresh milk. All the way we simmering, we not boiling anything. I needed to get slowly infuse and get the flavor of coconut and pistachio together. Then almost 3-4 minutes when it start boiling, I added 2 gram of agar agar. You can use agar agar or 2 gram or 6 gram of any jellification. Then later on, I added 1 drop of green color. Just a little drop. I don't need to be artificial green, just to have a good green. And then we pour into tray 2 millimeter high. You leave it room temperature 1 hour, it will set. You don't need to put in the fridge. Agar agar set in 70 centigrade. So after 1 hour is already set, I remove from the tray. I start to cut. As you see, it's 2 millimeter. It's transparent. You can see underneath. I cut and I start to make my own. Then I will drop upside down on plastic film, as you see, very thin, so it will be easy. My sushi rice already in the fridge 2 hours now, so it's set, it's cold. Then I can shape it as roll any size I want. Then I use my fruit. I use whatever fresh fruit I have. It gives nice texture and color and variety for my sushi. You can see I use fresh sliced mango, strawberry, and any color fruit fresh. You can use pineapple, peach, apricot. I don't prefer kiwi because kiwi have a lot of moist. It will damage all the story. So I start roll it. Make sure that you press fruit inside the sushi. Then you can easily roll it. As you see, it's like Swiss roll. You can roll it any size you want. You can handle that. And then we roll it and keep it in the fridge for 5-6 hours before you serving. Now we make ginger pickles, fresh pineapple. I make it very light zest or slicer. Then we soak 100 gram sugar, 100 gram water. We simmering and a small piece of beetroot. And now we have the ready natural color. So I put beetroot, I simmering the syrup with pineapple. It got the red beautiful color naturally. And that's why we need to improve our dessert to make it so special. New idea. We take pastry to another galaxy. My father always say, don't work harder, but work smarter. That's why I create this beautiful dessert. Always we simmering any food, we need to have the flavor strong to infuse all the flavor. Now you can see when it's boiling, it got the color and taste of beetroot with pineapple sour, got little sweet, and this all combination what we want. Please search in my channel. I have big section for vegan dessert, vegan butter, vegan milk, how to make vegan cake, vegan tart, everything. Now, finally, we got the end to wasabi. 150 ml fresh coconut milk. I boil. Microwave for 3 minutes. Then I added my matcha tea. Then I reheat again. And then now you can see so good and melted. And I added my vegan chocolate. And as I said before, if you don't want to make this video as vegan, you can use fresh milk, you can use fresh cream instead of coconut milk. You can use whatever you want. This is our beautiful sushi, wasabi, and pineapple pickles. Hope you enjoy my channel. Please, if this first time, make subscribe. Give us like to improve